Capilano suspension bridge, and even though it has been sunny the whole damn day, it started drizzling. Then it's sad. Then just wants to take photos.
No, I just want to eat.
So we're trying to get to the car park so we can eat. Is the car park here? It's here. Oh, okay. So we have reached the car park. Oh, the entrance is here. And apparently there's like quite nice light. So we came at the time where it's like sunset. So you get to see the daytime lights and the nighttime lights. Because once you buy a ticket, you can stay here forever. For your whole life. If you want to sleep here, I guess you can too. Okay, Slay, he's gonna park. Yeah, park. Fine. Okay, bye.
Hi guys, I'm at the suspension bridge right now. Oh my god, okay, I'm just gonna start going forward. I'm kind of scared because I don't do too well with heights. But the view is gonna be amazing, so, and I'm just gonna hold on really tight to like the railings and stuff, but I'll just show you guys. Okay, this is what it looks right now. These are my friends in front, and whoa, it's actually so amazing. But look at that! Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna whoa.
You told me in my sleep to find you here. So if you don't know who I am, please believe me. You and I fall in love and we get married. I'll do whatever you need to discover. You and I meant to be, we'll always end up with each other. We've got a simple love. 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 Let's keep it simple love. Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple love. Let's keep it simple. I feel it on my skin today. All the things I try to wash away, they've been waiting for my walls to thin. I feel it on my skin. And now the ghosts are flooding in, trying to drown me in my former sins. Let the panic in my lungs begin. I feel it on my skin. A shiver and a shake may take me, but I will still return. The memory. But if I mess up this Christmas, will you stick around for New Year's? Let's make a new
Guys, we have here Kah Meng. We are currently stuck in the forest and we need to get wood to make a fire, which is essential because we are cold.
Can we forget about last year? Last Christmas it all went wrong. We had the big fight in the kitchen. Then I said that thing about your mom. Ooh, seems like every year's the same. Ooh, promise that I'm trying to change. But if I mess up this Christmas, will you stick around for New Year's? Let's make a new resolution. Have a holiday without tears. I can make it so perfect. I can show that I'm trying. But if I mess up this Christmas, will you be here next Christmas?
Alright, so we are at Nairin Falls. We wanted to hike to the falls. It's about 1.5 km along this route, but as you can see, it's quite dangerous. We walked in about 100 meters and we realized that the path is very slippery with ice, and since it's very thin, even with snowshoes it will be quite tough to enter the falls. So we are heading back and we are going to a lake where it is easier to go to during the winter. Yes, hiking in winter is fun. Right, Riza? Yes. Yes. Oh, this is slippery. Okay, see you guys.
Hi, we are at Alta Lake now, and Dan is going to attempt to. I'm gonna take it. Dan is going to attempt to walk into the lake because we have concluded that if Dan can walk into the lake and stand and jump on it, so can we. So, Mr. D. He's going to walk and attempt this very dangerous task because it's dangerous because if he falls in, nobody can save him. So
yeah, you're right. Oh my God. Dan, you fall your problem, huh?
So we can only hope for the best. I think this one's still quite okay lah, huh? Look at that! Wait, wait! Ah! Okay, we're gonna run on this course. I'm scared. I'm so fucking scared. What if I drop?
The whole lake is frozen. Is it recording?
Yeah.
The whole lake is frozen, guys. Look at this. This is supposed to be where you get down, get in the pool during summer.
Die, bro!
Yeah, but apparently I'm stepping on it. Yeah. There's a ball in the center. You can go take a look. You know what is that? That's a life buoy. It's a buoy to tell you that beyond this zone, right, you cannot swim. I think, I'm guessing. But look at this. Pure ice, guys.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be.
Coming. How's the side of milk? Sorry. Good. Good, right? Good. This Malaysian can't eat spice.